Good morning to student. Today I am going to start the new topic of your chapter number 6, triangle and its properties, and the topic is right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. The Pythagoras property, this Pythagoras, it is the name of a mathematician who has given this property. After his name, this property is known as Pythagoras property. Okay, so for that, what he has done, that he has taken the right angle triangle. Okay, he has taken a right angle triangle. So the two lines which are perpendicular to each other, they will form a right angle triangle. Right angle means the angle is equal to 90 degree. Understood? So here this angle where two perpendicular lines are meeting and the angle is forming, this angle is known as 90 degree angle. And when we are joining these two lines, we are getting a triangle. And the side which is opposite to right angle, this is a right angle, and the side opposite to it, this one. So this is called your hypotenuse. What? Hypotenuse. The Pythagoras has given name to the sides of its triangle. Okay, so in right angle triangle, this is a right angle triangle, this one B. See here, B is the right angle triangle, and opposite of B is AC, right? This is AC. This AC is called hypotenuse. What? Hypotenuse. And these two sides, BC and AC, these are the legs. What? Legs of a triangle. And always remember that the hypotenuse of a triangle is always greater than the remaining two sides. Okay, it is always greater. The hypotenuse is the longest side of a right angle triangle. Understood, beta? Now, in right angle triangle, the square on the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square on the legs. Suppose if we are going to find the square of hypotenuse, so hypotenuse square is equal to the, this is your leg 1, this is your leg 2. So here I am writing L1 plus L2. So the square of these two sides, leg 1 and leg 2, and when we are getting the sum of these two legs, it will is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. How? See here, suppose here I have a triangle like that. Okay, I am taking this side 5, this 3 and this 2. Okay, I am proving you that the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the leg square. Then how it's possible? Is a hypotenuse square is 5 square, leg 2 square plus 3 square, sorry, it is 4, take 4, so 4, it is 25. Understood? Square of 5 is 25, 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. So 25, 16 plus 9, 25. You can see here that the square of a hypotenuse is equal to the square of a sum of the square of a leg. And this term square is, what do you mean by the square? है ना? So here for finding the square, you have to multiply the same number to find the product of the same number with itself. So here if you want to find the square of 5, so we will take 5. Here if we want to square of 5, what? Square of 5, this is called square. This 2, this 2, index 2 is called square. And if you want to find the square of 5, so we will multiply 5 with itself, 5 into 5, and 5 5 is 25. Like that we will find the square of a number. So all of you understood that the right angle triangle, the square and the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares on the legs. I explained you how to solve. Okay. And one more thing which I want to explain you, that this property, Pythagoras property, is always used when you are having a right angle triangle. If there is a no right angle triangle, so you cannot use this property. Okay, this property is always hold in case of a right angle triangle. Understood, beta? Now here example 6 is given. Before that there is the example 5. What? Example 5, whose question is not over here. I am saying a question that whether 5, 4 and 3, whether these sides 5, 4 and 3 can be a side of a right angle triangle. Okay, the question example 5 is like that. The side 5, 4, 3 can be a side of a right angle triangle, or by this side can we form a right angle triangle? That we have to answer. Okay, so for that what we are going to do here, we will use the Pythagoras property. So right here, by the Pythagoras property, and what is the property? That the hypotenuse square is equal to the leg 1 square plus leg 2 square, or we can say that base or perpendicular. Suppose it is here on the base is here perpendicular, so we can write here base of perpendicular also in place of leg 1 and leg 2. Okay, so and I told you before that the longest side of the right angle triangle will be the hypotenuse. So here out of 5, 4 and 3, 5 is greater, so right here 5 is square. L1 you can take any of this 4 or 3, so 4 is square plus 3 square. Now here you will get 25, 4 is square 16, 3 square 9, so 25 is equal to 25. So after solving this your calculation by using these three sides, you are getting the equal two side. LHS is equal to RHS. Here LHS and RHS both are equal. So when you are getting LHS and RHS are equal each other, in this case only the given side can be a side of a right angle triangle, or it can form a right angle triangle too. Okay, thank you, beta. Now example 6. What example 6 is saying? See here, a triangle ABC is a right angle at C. If AC is 5, BC is 12, find the length AB. See here triangle is given to you like that. This A, C, B. AC is your 5, okay. BC is your 12, and you have to find AB. So first of all, find the relation what is the relation of AB with triangle. So here it is your angle C is 90 degree. See here ABC is right angle at C. It means C is a 90 degree, because it is written there that ABC is right angle at C. It means the 90 angle is forming on C. So here C is 90 degree. So AB is opposite to angle C. So it is your hypotenuse, right? And this is your leg 1 and leg 2. So here you have to find AB square. What? AB square. So again you just use the property of Pythagoras, and the property is that by hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse we have to find, base is your 12 square and what that perpendicular is 5 square, so 12 square is 144. This is your 5 square, it means 25. So 144 plus 25, 169, and 169. Here we got AB square because your hypotenuse is AB. AB square is equal to 12 square plus 5 square. So AB square is equal to 169. But we want AB, not AB square. So taking a square root, then we will keep 169 under the square root. This is square root sign, okay? This is square root sign 169, and AB, then AB, it is the square of 169, it is the square of 13. What? 13. So your length of AB is 13 centimeter, meter, whatever unit is given there. Okay, understood better? Thank you. Have a nice day. And your homework is to solve this, try this question. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.